I decided to file for bankruptcy and just I made some calls and I got some clarity. I knew it's the right thing to do for me.
What was your biggest fear or concern at the present moment?
So before I filed, the unknown, I've never filed before. It was my first time and I did not know what to expect. And I still felt a lot of shame and just, I kept being frustrated because, I've never done this before. And I knew just, I really thought that I'll probably, find another way. But at the point when I decided to file for bankruptcy and just I made some calls and I got some clarity. I knew it's the right thing to do for me. So, but it was the unknown. So I did not know how the process will be and how long it'll take and what the next steps. And my main concern was that probably I will not be approved. And like I said, I did not know how am I going to go about. So that was a lot of worry. I worried a lot.
What did you believe about bankruptcy before you spoke with us?
So my perception changed recently. So before, I just assumed bankruptcy is basically the last resort for people who are either lazy or they don't want to put in the effort or they're not trying hard to get jobs and they're just it's a way to get out of debt and just without putting in too much effort. And I had this perception that just a certain amount of people do that and I'll never do that and I never in my wildest dreams did I ever think that I'll be doing that. So like I said, I associated the term with a lot of shame and just I thought that like I said, I never thought I'll be doing the same thing. So even at the point when I applied for bankruptcy, I felt that guilt and a lot of shame and just it's the stigma associated with the word. There's a lot of stigma and just especially for people who have never done it before that they don't know.